2 points define a line, so why did we find and plot 3 points for the last 6 problems? Hint, it is not because Mr. Colby is a cruel taskmaster. I'm a very nice taskmaster. You may have, look, I will take any, you should consider your answer correct if you have any sort of thoughtful response to this that indicates that plotting the third point. Sometimes students say it's a way to get an extra point. Let me give you the best answer first. That third point checks the other two. In other words, you could put any 2 points you want on a coordinate plane. There's going to be a line through those 2 points. But if the third point is also on that line, then you know you've got the right line. In other words, if you made a mistake with any one of those 3 inputs calculating the output, you won't catch that error until you make the third point. If all 3 of those points are collinear, if they all 3 exist on the same line, then the chances that you made an error are nearly 0. Not exactly 0. You could have made a mistake on all 3 of them, but very nearly 0. So the best answer is it's a way to check your work. It's a way to see if your points are reasonable. But anything you said that you think is a good answer is good with me. And if you don't think you understood it or had a good answer, just count that as -1. There's lots of places for the graph for number 8, the blue circle. There's lots of places where you could draw a vertical line and intersect 0 points. But it's fine if we intersect 0 points or 1 point. The only thing that will disqualify our graph as a function is if our vertical line intersects more than 1 point. If I could draw a vertical line right here, which I probably can't, but there's an issue with I won't bore you with the details. If I could draw that, I actually did it pretty well. That point and this point right here are the only 2 places where I can intersect a single point on that circle. Anywhere else I'm going to intersect 2 points. So I gave you a long-winded answer. The answer is no. That is not a function. This one is a function because wherever I put a vertical line, if you could pretend those are really vertical, I'm only intersecting a single point. This one is yes. This one, I'm either intersecting a single blue point or I'm intersecting 0 blue points. But there's no vertical line that would intersect more than 1, so this one is a function, yes. Okay, thank you don't forget to send me the minus number. Today, please, today being Thursday, hopefully is when you're watching this. Thursday, what am I talking about? I'm tired if you can't tell. This is the learning opportunity that followed Monday's lesson, so you should be grading this and sending me the grade, which means the minus number. I got -2, Mr. Colby, or I got them all right, so -0. Send me that, hopefully, no later than Tuesday. All right, thank you. Class dismissed.